Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to the Bass Harbor Headlight, which was in 1858. So come along with me and see what we can see.
Parking is very limited, but as you see, it does have some handicap parking.
And yes, there are handicapped accessible bathrooms here.
The Cliffside Bass Harbor Head Light Station Lighthouse is actually in Arcadia National Park, located in the village of Bass Harbor within Tremont, Maine. Now, it is interesting to note that among about 80 lighthouses across Maine, it is one of 3 lights managed by Arcadia National Park, including 2 others on Baker Island and Bear Island.
It is a bit of a adventure coming down to see the backside of the lighthouse, but it is worth it, in my opinion. That's a lot of steps going back.
Congress had appropriated $5,000 for the construction of the Bass Harbor Headlight after it was determined that sufficient need existed to have a lighthouse near the entrance of Bass Harbor. Now, the lighthouse's tower is actually only 37 feet tall, including the lightning rod. And the lantern is a 1901 fourth order Fresnel lens.